Hello everyone, this is Saurav and I'm representing my team Savvy. So we made a website called Rumble. It's just a gaming website which have a lot of other facilities. It's not a normal gaming website. It is far more better than that because it includes CP. CP, competitive programming. Yep. So it is gambling with learning. So it's a learning gambling. We have some designs for it. Firstly, let me show you the designs. Huh. It starts from here. It's the our first page, which will load in soon. It's our login area. Just a second. Maybe it's taking a lot of time. Okay, let's start from here. It's a get started area or login. You can log in here and go to sign up with Google. We use passport to do this authentications. Let's do this. Yep. Continue. So as you see, we have logged, and after login we got a JWT. JWT we can also check from here. Key we have got a JWT with my user, with my pic key which we have uploaded, and other address is still null because we haven't connected our wallet. So let's connect our wallet. It's the wallet connection page, connect to wallet. So it will open your MetaMask. Hmm, yeah, I have forgotten my password, sorry. Huh. So we it's just done. You can again check this. Huh. So here I you can see here my address is also here. So this is our dashboard. Dashboard to start the game. So we have two modes as of now. Firstly, it's a level A, B, C, D. You can choose the level of the problem which you want to go with in CP and the amount of bet you want to play. Means how many ETH you want to play. Secondly, we have option for play for fun. For those who are garib balak, who don't have much money, they just want to play, they just want to learn, but have no ETH. So they can just play with the level. So they can choose any level and go to play. Uh, After that, we have the design of the next page, but due to time constraints, we haven't that much time to make that front end and do the back end stuff. This must be the design of the problem statement which page will come after this. This is the history page and the profile page which we made, and the change profile option also. This is all we have done in design and development. Other than that, we have done other things in backend, but due to time constraint we haven't done that much front end, so we can't integrate that. So let me show you the APIs which we have made for backend. So API which we made are in Python. Python APIs, what we do, key, this is the main page where problem statement will come. You can give the code, and after that you have two options: run and submit. Run to compile the code here only, and submit to submit the code and check whether your verdict is correct or not. So you can do that from here. Key, you have three endpoints of this API. First endpoint is random problem. Key, whenever two persons get selected, they will get a random problem of the level they have chosen. For example, let's choose a level 1800. This is level based on code forces. So let's choose a level of 1800. If we send this, we have to wait for 3 to 4 seconds, and it will give us the question in 3 to 4 seconds, and the problem must be here. The problems number we get in the response, and the problem must be shown here in the problem.html, which can be passed or can be put in the front end later. Just a second, it's taking too much time. Due to the maybe code forces, queues, and all, it's taking too much time. Uh, let's wait for one more second before going to the next endpoint. Done. So we got the merge sort of D. So it's the problem URL. You can also check, just copy it. We have put 1800. So let's go on the Chrome, put it here. So yes, it's a 1800 problem as is seen. And the problem is this only, which we got here in problem.html, which can be easily passed on the front end later. Second endpoint is our run. Run is used to compile any code. If you have code written in solution.cpp, just like this, simple code, so you can compile it using run. For that, you can refer this thing which you have done. You just have to go run. After that, you have to choose language. So language 7. Here I have written language 7 is default for C++. So I am taking language 7. After that we have to give the input data, give what data we want to give as input. So let's give, as you have seen the code, it's just a sum of two numbers, right? Yeah, it's just a sum of two numbers. So let's give the code 3 and 6 and just send. It's a compiler, so it will just compile our code and give us the answer 9. It should give us the answer 9 if it works correctly. And yeah, it's working correctly. I have given you a proposal for the language 7. It has a lot of language and you can take any language code for that. And the last option is submit option. How it works, let me show you this also. uh, its endpoint is submit with uh, first is problem. We have to give the problem. So let's give a problem, just suppose 1520 only. After that, let's give the language, and language 54 is here C++. So let's give the language C++ only. This all and submit. It will submit our solution.cpp code only. Yeah. So whenever a user submit their code, we will put that code in solution.cpp and make this get request on our backend API so that it will get submitted. It will take around 10 to 15 seconds due to code forces issues, but it will get submitted. uh, Other than that, the submission of this thing can be seen here also. We have a dummy account where all these things are happening. Yep. Which you going to so this is the solution which we have just submitted on 20th of October. It gets submitted. Yeah. How it is all how it works. Thank you. Due to I'm really sorry once again for the front end which we haven't done due to some time constraint, but our idea is this only. Thank you.